lush plantations, we toil with pride. Each banana harvested a testament to our stride. Through sweat and sun we stand tall and strong, together we flourish, a chorus of hope in our song. We are the Philippines, pioneer banana plantation workers, a family so true. Bound by camaraderie, our dreams we pursue, under reading's guidance we reach for the sky. With melody and the team, our spirits fly high. From dawn till dusk, our hands worked in harmony. The fruits of our labor, a symbol of unity. Let violini and heartfelt inspire our way. Tirelessly, Nelly and Mela, our guiding light each day. Bella, rich heart, of strength so grand. I got your chant, a steadfast helping hand. John, Miriam, embodied and Philipar by our side. In this shared journey, our spirits forever abide. We are the Philippines, pioneer banana plantation workers, a family so true. Bound by camaraderie, our dreams we pursue, under reading's guidance we reach for the sky. With Edna, Letty, and the team, our spirits fly high. Melody till dusk, our hands work in harmony. The fruits of our labor, a symbol of unity. Let Violina, Mia, and Porphyria inspire our way. Tercida, Nelly, and Mela, our guiding light each day. Bella, rich heart, of strength so grand. I got your chant, a steadfast helping hand. John, Miriam, embodied and Philipar by our side. In this shared journey, our spirits forever abide. As the sun sets on another day of toil and cheer, we stand together, banishing doubt and fear. With passion as our compass and unity as our creed, the Philippines pioneer banana plantation workers will forever succeed. Our spirits fly high. As the sun sets on another day of toil and cheer, we stand together, banishing doubt and fear. We are the Philippines, pioneer banana plantation workers, a family so true. Bound by camaraderie, our dreams we pursue, under reading's guidance we reach for the sky. The Philippines pioneer banana plantation workers will forever succeed.